To incorporate an alternative logo for a particular experience, adhere to the following steps. Firstly, open the experience. Here is the logo provided during the profile setup. To utilize a different logo, simply scroll down. Access the advanced settings. Select Use Alternate Logo and proceed to upload the logo of your choice. Click Upload. Click Save. As observed, this experience shows the updated logo. If you prefer not to have any logo, return to the experience. Select a Remove and leave the input field empty. Presently, there is no logo displayed here, and you can observe the absence of any logo in preview. Click Save. This is your updated experience. There won't be any logo in this scenario.